Do you want this? You sure? There we go. I actually had a chickadee land on my hand yesterday, which was exciting. Bye. It makes me giggle every time, but I'm afraid to giggle too loud because I don't want to scare them. They're so cute, though. No? I didn't put anything over there yet. You make me walk around like an idiot with my hand hanging out, don't you? Silly things. Thinking about it. Do you want it? I mean, I guess there might be something in there. There's a lot more in my hand. I'm being ignored. That's so sad. You want some? They're making me work for it this morning. Fine.